How would you want to be able to click a few buttons and start seeing $5, $10, or even $20 repeat payments deposited into your wallet or account? Would you be interested in learning more? Then you should watch this video. You know we're constantly looking down on those little numbers, aren't we? It's such a small sum of money, isn't it? However, this is not the case with this one-of-a-kind website that we're going to show you in this video. However, even if you just paid $10 or $20 every time, the money adds up pretty quickly. Consider how quickly those $20 payments may add up to large sums of money, reaching as high as $200 or $300 every day, with relative ease when you use this method that we will show you today. After that, you may quickly cash out using a variety of payment methods, including PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin, and many other choices. This website is completely free, and there is no need to make any kind of investment, and they are currently expanding their reach to include a large number of different countries. No experience or special skill are required to do this. Even if you are a total beginner, you can still use this method. We are overjoyed to share this chance with you and to provide you with a few extras that will double or even triple your profit with a few mouse clicks. Therefore, be sure to tune in and watch to the very end of this video to find out. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. So first things first, we want you to go to enrollapp.com. The website should look like this. Let's make the website a better place. Be heard, not part of the earth. In this website, you can take a bunch of tests and earn money here. Be the first. See what real companies are working on right now and let them know what you think. You'll be the first to get sneak peeks behind the screen. Take tests anywhere. Addicted to your phone or tablet? Fear not. You can take the user test on any device, phone, tablets, desktop, whatever you prefer. Earn rewards. Collect badges to show off to your friends and get compensated for each test conveniently via PayPal. Change the web. Be a part of the internet's next revolution. Help good ideas happen, make suggestions, and stop bad ones in their tracks. If you scroll down to this section, we can see how many tests have been already taken, and you can check out a sample test right here to look at how these tests are conducted. This is a 100% legitimate company that is quite popular in the industry right now because it allows people like you and me to earn money from home with no experience or technical skills. Pay close attention because we are going to show you everything step by step today so you can begin earning money online immediately. So the first thing that you should do is create an account. Creating an account on this website is super easy and 100% free. No monthly or quarterly subscriptions are needed. To do that, just put your email and password here and check the two boxes and all that is there to see. See? Super easy. Then you want to go to your email, one that you used to register for an account, and check for a verification email sent by this website. The email should look like this, and just click on Confirm My Account button in this email, and just like that, your account is now verified and you can now log into your account. Once you log into your account, you can now see the dashboard. You can see here a progress bar, and what you want to do is complete everything that the website asks you below the progress bar, and once you complete one task, the progress bar will increase. It will ask you a bunch of information such as full name, PayPal email address, and other stuff to complete your profile. Just answer all the questions and complete your profile. Once you do that, then you are officially registered. Now, the first thing that you'll notice on your dashboard is when you scroll down, you'll see polls and the numbers of poll questions that you've answered. Now, polls mean the questions right here that you can answer with a yes or no. For example, we choose to answer yes. Then we will see the ratio of how many people answered yes and no. And once you click on continue, you can see here that the poll counter increased to 1, meaning you have successfully answered one poll. This is critical for you to respond to this poll question if you wish to earn money online. And the more posts you respond to, the more points you can earn. Additionally, the more poll questions you answer, the easier it is for this website to match you with the most suitable projects based on your demographics and interests, which means you'll receive more missions and earn more money. You can answer the same question over and over by simply clicking on the button and continuing as shown here. And there is no limit for answering these questions. As if it wasn't enough, you can do this on your phone or computer and it works internationally. If you're from United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, India, and the Philippines, Europe, or any other countries in the world, you may take advantage of this chance. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now on to the next step. On the upper section of the website, you can see an achievement tab. Just click on this and you can see the total badges that you have obtained and the total points for each badge. You can also see your current mission on this website. Just read and follow the mission description. Now for this mission, the website requires you to take tests, answer polls, and be active, meaning you have to log in to your account every day and answer poll questions to receive a reward. Don't worry, it won't take you an hour every day just to do this, as seen in your demonstration a while ago. So the more poll questions you answer, the more points you get, and the more points you get, the more badges you get. The badges listed here are all of the ones that you can get. The more badges you acquire, the more points you gain, and the more extra money you earn. The following are some critical settings that you must configure in your account in order to earn 3 times as much money. So pay great attention to this part of the video. When you log into your account, you have to click on this arrow button and a drop-down menu will appear. Just click on Test Preference and it will redirect you to this page. Now you can see a bunch of options regarding your account. On the Device I Can Test On option, just pick all of the options here. Check on mobile, tablet, and desktop. So the more tests will be given to you since you have checked on all the devices that you use. More devices means more tests, just do that. On the testing availability option, just pick on the option Send me tests as soon as possible. So if a new test is available, it will be immediately sent to you. You can also turn on email notification for tests so that you will be notified immediately if a test has come up. And validate your phone numbers so that they can send you an SMS when new tests appears. Keep answering poll questions and earn badges to earn money here. It will only take you less than a minute to do this, and you can do this over and over again. So what are you waiting for? Start today and earn lots of money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.